gotta get back up there because Tip caught me. He just tried to let people know.
What's that? I was wondering what he was doing on a hand bike.
Ooh.
Ooh, what?
I'm fall up here. I'm high. I'm too high.
Okay. Well, we will play out here for an hour, but we have to go inside because of the rain.
Yeah, I know. A little while.
It's my nickname, my new name. My real name is Winter.
I sure would hate to embarrass her by showing those videos of her when she was a baby.
Let me see that slime.
That'll sure embarrass her. I already showed her baby videos on my show, the Best of the Domino 7 show. She'll definitely be embarrassed when she get older. I hope not.
What's your YouTube channel?
Domino 866.
Yeah. I'm calling it.
Oh golly, I'm around, and this pedal is missing. Wow,
Yeah, because they didn't fix it.
they broke
It's
it.
slime stuff. It's slime.
Where'd you get that from?
They gave me some.
Well, is that dangerous?
No, it's not sticky enough.
Slime from Nickelodeon.
No, not from Nickelodeon. They didn't have it.
I watch Nickelodeon all the time. I watch SpongeBob. An embarrassing story, I'm saying. Be careful, y'all. You too, be careful.
No, we can run in the pocket and climb up. No, I'm not going there.
Oh well.